Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm excited to help kick off AADL User Day this morning. My name is Anita Carleton. I lead the software engineering portfolio of work called the Software Solutions Division at SEI. We're expecting a great turnout today with registrants comprising DoD and DoD contractors, as well as representation from academia and commercial organizations. Okay, Michelle, next chart, please. So we're looking forward to having a great technical exchange today and coming up to speed on the latest updates for AADL, ACVIP, and all the associated tools. Next chart, please. Just a little context about the SEI. We're a Department of Defense R&D federally funded research and development center. We're headquartered in Pittsburgh at Carnegie Mellon University, and our mission is to really improve the state of the practice of software engineering, cybersecurity engineering, and most recently, AI engineering. Next chart, please. So I had the pleasure of doing the opening presentation at AADL User Day in 2019. At the time, our primary focus was on engaging more collaborators to use the AADL toolset and to motivate organizations to use model-based software engineering techniques for DoD procurement and acquisition policy. But in a very few short years, our focus has shifted to be able to share lessons on real-world use, as well as policies and practices that enable use of AADL and ACVIP. So it's really exciting to see, how far the use and benefits have progressed. Next chart, please. So it's great to see the breadth of the expanding community with collaboration across government agencies, DoD, as well as DoD contractors, academia, and commercial industry. Next chart, please. So we've also put together and have some empirical data to show successful use and benefit. The U.S. Army conducted a multi-year study on the transition success of AADL and ACVIP, and the study confirmed the benefits of the ACVIP approach for the Army and other DoD Pathfinder programs. Now the effort is really all about, transitioning AADL and ACVIP to more and additional programs of record. There's a study here that's shown on the bottom of the slide. Sholom will walk through the study as well as some of the data that was collected and analyzed from the study in a lot more detail in his presentation. Next chart, please. So there are a number of ways that AADL and ACVIP have advanced. For example, the approach has been tailored for DoD acquisition and includes modeling standards and guidance. We've created model formats that support multi-vendor procurements. We've developed tools to conduct virtual integration analysis, and we've developed training courses in AADL and ACVIP to support increased usability and adoption. And it's really great to see, how many organizations and folks are being trained in these practices. Next chart, please. So mature tools have grown both in number and capability, helping to aid transition into practice, including translators for SysML and face standards, a suite of analysis software, and maturation of OSATE itself. And what this really means is that developers now have access to robust tools that can support the sophisticated analysis requirements of ACVIP. And the last chart, Michelle, please. Okay, so looking ahead, The transition focus will continue with AADL and ACVIP incorporation into RFPs, updates to AADL standards, and continuing improvements in all the tooling and tooling infrastructures. SEI is going to continue to play a pivotal role in digital engineering and provide more emphasis on analysis and verification to be able to move left through virtual integration. So those are just some of the comments that I wanted to make to help open up User Day. And with that, I'd like to hand it over to Alex Boydston to introduce today's program as well as the keynote speaker.